morning, our beloved students. Today, we will discuss about the topic as I have written on the board, fiction that came true. As you know, fiction means imagination, not true, just an imagination. This imagination, after 14 years or more in some other cases, comes true. One very interesting topic, fiction that came true, is about the world famous event, the loss of Titanic. As you know, fiction means imagination, and imagination was made by Morgan Robertson. An imaginary ship, a fictional ship, was made by Morgan Robertson in 1898. He wrote the story of the famous ship is in his famous novel, Futility. Futility is the name title of the novel in which he wrote about a ship named Titan. In his novel, he named the ship as Titan, and the title of the novel is Futility. It was a very, very luxurious and comfortable, just like a palace of a king. Like a palace of a king, the ship was constructed in his imagination. And it took many years to manufacture the ship. After its completion of construction, it started its maiden voyage. First voyage, sea voyage. It was from Southampton to America. You know, Southampton is a famous port lying southeast of England, which is a constituent country of the United Kingdom. Southampton is a famous port at the southeast of England. From that port, harbor, the ship started its maiden voyage to America with very, very rich passengers, and the ship was so comfortable that everyone was in the happiest mood, without thinking any other hardships, any difficulties, any accidents or like that. They were very happy, and in the happiest mood they journeyed from Southampton to America. In the year 1898, the ship started. The book was written by Robert Morgan. It was written in the year 1898 and it was in his imagination. After the publication of his famous novel Futility, and after considering all these things, it so happened that a similar, almost the same Titan ship was constructed in England, and it was completed in the year 1912. After its completion of construction, it started its journey on 14th of April 1912. And the ship, the fictional ship or the imaginary ship, was almost the same in terms of capacity, speed, size, almost the same as depicted as revealed by Robert Morgan in his famous novel Futility, with a imaginary ship entitled Titan. And the real ship took the name Titanic. The real ship took the name Titanic instead of Titan. Only the difference is Titanic and the Titan and IC and no, not IC. Only this spelling is the difference between the imaginary or the fictional ship and the real or true ship. It had the same number of passenger, the capacity. It moved with the same speed as this Titan, and the shape, size, all the other luxurious and the other accommodations were almost the same. Both this Titan and the Titanic. There were no drastic differences. There is no big difference between the imaginary ship Titan and the real ship Titanic. After the completion of its construction, this Titanic took his maiden voyage in the year 1912. And it coincided, it made a disastrous and brutal accident, which it hit the mountain-like iceberg on the night of 14 and 15 April of 1912. Just after Just after 14 years, the fiction came true. This is the story of this fiction that came true. I think it is not so difficult. All of you can understand easily. Am I right? Okay. This is the story about which we will discuss more in our next classes. Main theme of the imaginary ship, the fictional ship which was constructed in the imagination of Morgan Robertson that came true in our real life. Robert Morganson wrote his novel Futility in the year 1898, and there was a ship in his imagination. The title of the ship was Titan. It had 3,000 capacity passengers, and it moved with a certain speed, and the shape size was described in detail, but it is not given here. And it was a very luxurious, very comfortable, just like a palace of a king. It was constructed. Just after these 14 years, a real ship was constructed in England. Under United Kingdom, and the title of the ship was named as Titanic. We all know, we all hear Titanic. This Titanic had was almost the same size in terms of size, capacity, speed, and luxury, which was described in the novel, in the novel of Morgan Robertson. And this Titanic, the real ship, started her maiden voyage on 14th of April 1912, and it faced a very, very disastrous and brutal accident. That is, it hit a big iceberg, just like a mountain. It hit suddenly when it moved from Southampton to America. And the accident, the disastrous hitting on the iceberg took place on the night of 14 and 15 April 1912. And heavy loss of life took place in the accident and in the disastrous coincidence of the ship with a mountain-like iceberg. This is this imagination, this fiction came true 99% or almost the same, came true after 14 years. Just after 14 years, his imagination came true. It was translated into reality just after 14 years. And after this, we will discuss some more in our next classes. For today, let's stop here. Keep this in your knowledge bank for your future knowledge and reference. With this, and wishing you all the best, let's stop here for today.